Hello and welcome to the ShipRight app tutorial series from KlinKode. You can hide, sort, or rename shipping methods using ShipRight. In this video, we will show how to hide shipping for specific SKU in Shopify. Let's open the ShipRight app. Click the Create Rule button. You will see several combinations here. Use the search box to find your specific conditions and see which combination contains it. In this video, we'll use the SKU condition. So first, we'll search for SKU in the search bar and select it. Click Elite 1 combination to continue. After adding the SKU, you'll see a drop-down with several options. Exact match, partial match, starts with, ends with. Exact match. Hide if the SKU exactly matches what you entered. Partial match. Hide if the SKU contains the entered SKU number or words anywhere within it. Start with hide if the SKU begins with the entered SKU number or words. End with hide if the SKU ends with the entered SKU number or words. For this example, we choose if found and select the start with, then enter the SKU BRB. Optionally, if you click on the Add a Condition button, you can see and use all other available conditions under this combination. For this example, we don't need any additional conditions. Here we can see that the Brown Bear product's SKU is BRB-SH-2112. Now go to the rule page and set a name for the rule. Finally, go to the Shipping Methods section and add the shipping method you want to hide. We will add free shipping, which should only be hidden when a product's SKU starts with BRB. If the shipping method you want to hide is not in the list, you can add it manually. For example, DHL Express is not in my shipping list, so I will manually type DHL Express and click Add DHL Express to add it in the rule. Now click the Save button to apply your rule. Let's go to the checkout page. As you can see, free shipping is visible because there are no products in the cart with an SKU starting with BRB. Now let's add Brown Bear, which has the SKU BRB-SH-2112, starting with BRB, and check again. As you can see, the free shipping is hidden now. That's it. This is how you can hide shipping for specific SKU. I hope this is clear. If you have any questions or need help, feel free to reach out via live chat or visit our contact page. You'll find both email and WhatsApp support options there. Thanks for using the ShipRight app. Happy selling!